well from the last two seasons of Kane, Kulusevski. Let's have a look at the sides then. Spurs go very strong, nearly the same team that started against Leicester. The only change in that 11, Pat Mattison comes in for Pierre-Emile Højbjerg. Son's first appearance. On by Davis into Maddison.
That we saw glimpses of in the West Ham game.
Udogie, lovely move, Maddison, Kane!
Maddison, as Maddison cuts his back, was there a handball there? Certainly
Maddison puts on the pressure. Can hear the expectation in the air. Maddison fires it in.
Ball into his feet. The half turn works the ball with
Son for goal. And over the top by Pedro Porro. Maddison tries to get Kulusevski away early. Goalkeeper from Udogie. Maddison just away from. He's got Maddison breathing down his. So for all the domination of
that, Anwar's coming off of his shoulder. He had one look early as the
pops out to Maddison on the edge, and there was delivery this time. Romero was attacking it. Maddison will have another go from long range, and this time it's big.
That one on target, just outside the 18-yard box. Good.
Maddison hangs it up towards Kane. Maddison, who can he pick out? Goes for goal again.
You can sense and see the confidence that James Maddison, the options, with no one closing him.
Asia's Player of the Year today, in by Maddison. Romero, I think.
This time, deep to the back post. Keeper misses it, but was able to play out. And we've played out really well.
Maddison. Oh, brilliant footwork. James Maddison still going. It's splendid.
Movement, control of the ball, dropping his shoulder, twisting and turning, driving into the 18-yard box. Now the options are, can he shoot or can he cut the far post?
Maddison again.
Yeah, 65% possession, dominating in these forward passes, forward runs. But again,
bowls it to Basuma. Basuma goes early to Maddison. That's a
winning the free kick because he draws the challenge, receiving on the half turn.
Maddison saw something he liked. Maddison. Gets some more. On to Son. Maddison. Nearly
again, trying to wind it into the far corner. Just a fraction off with his direction. But in this opening half an hour.
Certainly one of the clubs with the greatest resources in the country.
Forward, he ran into the box but then tumbled over. He's up and on his feet again now.
Maddison! It's another stop.
He pass. Great first touch, but he actually bangs the first touch. Brilliant. But the shot into the boots at the moment, but it is positive.
Maddison and Son try to get a 1-2 going. Likely be 2 11s playing this match, so could well be expected. Maddison.
Romero again a threat. Third time he's got a headed attempt.
Maddison. Boot in the Premier League in the previous campaign.
Every blue showed the game, in all honesty. But just a lift